Wageni wetu
ili uendelee ukumbuke katiba. Hapa tuko na tomato.
Visited the site of the Peace Dam, which is bordering Uganda and Kenya, so that we are able to also give a water resource to the population living in that area, Naketum. And so that we are also able to minimize the conflict, the cross-border conflict. It is a project which is anticipated to take 4 months. The design have been completed. The contractor is expected on the ground next week, and 120 days after he comes onto site, we expect that project will be handed over to the community.